9 children were seriously injured. Tragically, 5 of those children have died, 3 boys and 2 girls. 1 was 11 years old, 4 were 12 years old. 3 remain in a critical condition at the Royal Hobart Hospital. 1 is now recovering from home. The investigation is ongoing and police are preparing a report for the coroner with the support of WorkSafe Tasmania.
They are just unthinkably heartbreaking, and young children on a fun day out together with their families, and it turns to such horrific tragedy at this time of year. It just breaks your heart.
Overnight there's been an enormous outpouring of grief as well as support for those involved here in Devonport, across Tasmania, across the country and indeed across the world. We're very grateful for this support at this very sad time. As a parent, I cannot understand how the parents of those that have lost children must be feeling. But as a parent, I hope that they can understand that we are all feeling for you as well.